Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my new YouTube video. So in this video I'm going to create another CSS border animation. So let's start coding and know how we can create such an amazing animation. So first of all we will create our HTML file which we will name as quick border animation. Now let's write our title. Now let's add our style.css file as well. Now we will create a div with container class, and inside it we will create another div with background image class. Now let's create another div with box class, which will be our main in which our content will be written, and let's add 4 span elements to make our border animation. Now let's create our div for content, which will be class content, and inside it we will have our h2 element in which we will write 02 because it's my second quick border animation. So first of all we will import our font, which is Poppins, and now let's set our margin and padding, which will be 0, and box sizing will be border box. Now let's write CSS for our body tag. Now let's check how it is looking now. So it is looking just a basic. So let's add some CSS to make our 02 highlighted and bigger. Let's check now. So it is bigger, but our font is not assigned, so let's assign our font. Now let's check how it is looking. So now it is looking really good. So let's add some background as well and background image as well. You can download this image and code from our GitHub repository. Now let's check how it is looking. So let's make our 02 element in the center. So let's check now. So now it is centered. Now we will add some border and border radius as well. Let's check now how it is looking. So our shadow and border is also added. So let's add some background for our box element. So let's check now. So it's not center again, so let's make it center again. Let's check how it is looking. So it is center. So now let's add our border and some shadow as well. So let's check now how it is looking. So our shadow is added, so let's add some border as well. Now we will write our CSS for sudo before class of box. So let's check now how it is looking. So our border is added, so let's add some hover effect. So let's check if our hover effect is working. So you can see our hover effect is working. So let's now add our animation, which will be border animation. So let's check if our border is added. So our blue border is added, which will be animating. So let's add our keyframes to make it animate. So let's check how it is looking. So it is our final product and it is completely working. So thank you guys for watching my video and keep supporting me. Remember me in your prayers. Stay blessed, and do let me know in comment section what kind of new videos you want on my channel. So stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.